How to pin chats on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to pin chats on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app and make sure to sign into your accounts. Navigate to Messenger icon at top right. Now you will land on this section of chats where you need to find the chat which you want to pin. You can easily tap on the search bar at top and type in the chat as well. So for example, if this is the chat, you can tap and hold on a particular chat, and from this menu you will see the variety of option: pin, delete, mute messages, mute calls. Simply tap on pin and as you can see that the chat has been successfully pinned. If you want to unpin later, you can long press on the chat and tap on pin. And with this, you are good to go. You have successfully pinned chats on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.